This is my buddy's car, Oliver. This car is really done. All the stuff I got to do to it. I'm waiting on parts to finish it up. The seat belts, I've taped them up so I can paint them. I got the carpet installed. This has all the updates, right? That all the production cars have. Updated door jambs, functional ashtray and a shift plate here. You see the vents for the air conditioner there, parking brake right there. You see the foot pedals, right? Clutch, brake, and gas. Also here, you'll notice the rectifier circuit is connected. It's push fit here. If you're going to run it, then you would get some glue, right? So that it'll shake off. Of course, the vacuum pump is simulated, just like I've simulated brake lines coming out. Here, the AC is going in, DC coming out, DC going to the fan here. AC will be connected to the alternator in here. Once I get these covers from the shop, I'm waiting on my buddy to let me know, does he want his alternator on the passenger or driver side? Typically the driver side's for the air compressor, but I've seen the alternator on both sides of these cars. So anyway, whatever he decides, I'll get the rocker cover, alternator, and also I'm waiting on one more gear. These Conley engines versus the Australian V8s have a different size crankshaft. The diameter is larger in the Australian V8s. So I have all the crankcase gears, crankshaft gears for the Australian V8s because I had those engines modified for this project, but I don't have them yet. He's making them for me and shipping them over. I don't have them for the Conley V8s. So once I get that gear, and I know what he wants in terms of what side he wants to put the alternator on, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll paint everything up, secure it all, put his cap on here, finish all this. In terms of installing it, I'll take all this out and I'll paint it and cover it. And this car is done. The hard stuff's done. I gotta clean the plate off, the sill plates, but it turned out nice. They're dirty, but I'll cover them back up. I just had to get all that stuff off of them. But this is he's been very patient and I'm very pleased with it, and I'll finish it up for him. So that's that. While I'm waiting for parts, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the other parts, other cars for the other guys. I gotta install some of the same stuff for them as well, so I can get busy on that now that I know exactly where I'm going. This car is a bit of a guinea pig in terms of the difference between the prototype Little Red and the final production cars. This car is actually number 2. Number 1 was a 427 engine car of mine. I had to stop building on it because it was just taking too long and I wanted to get the guys' cars done. So he let me actually use this car in a way to make sure the changes were right, and it took a little while, but I finally got it done. So anyway, that's that.